All right, good afternoon, everyone here. I really respect everyone listening to me at this moment. I want to tell you about experience as a teacher. Experience is a teacher, but what type of a teacher is experience? Mr. Experience, a teacher that goes about classrooms with canes. He goes about classrooms with bottles, broken ones in his pocket to injure anyone who does not listen to him. So he's a very dangerous teacher. And I wouldn't want anyone to allow Mr. Experience teach him. Any school you get to register your child and they tell you Mr. Experience is the teacher of that place, you quit the place. Because experience is a very slow teacher. Personal experience. He is a master who would give you an exam before teaching you. You can imagine when a teacher, the first day of resumption, is setting exam on what he has not taught you. What will happen? Failure. And when you now fail the experience, Mr. Experience will now sit you down and begin to analyze to you, this is where you fail, this is how you fail. Now, so that when subsequent thing happen, you will not also do the same failure. Is that a good teacher? Now, a good teacher will explain and explain and explain and explain, give you classwork, then announce the date for the exam. And when the date for the exam comes, he gives you the time for the exam. He gives you the number of questions he's going to ask you. But Mr. Experience will never give you such. What he will only do is to bombard you first with questions and hoping that you fail. And after you have failed, he will now start teaching you. You can see that experience is not a good teacher. So when you have your own personal experience, it slows you down. But when you learn from the experience of others, it makes you fly. So better learn from experience of others. And how would you do this? Number one is by studying your books. Daniel said, I understood by books, even the mysteries and the histories of Babylon were understood through him by books. So you will know, because he read other people's experience and he was able to know what is good and what is not. So you that is listening to me, learn from people's experience. Do not say it's old school. Do not say it is not the jet age that we are in. Do not say we are not in computer age, but learn from their experience so that yours will become, your life will be easier, faster, and be more meaningful. So as you begin to learn from this, you will now know the rudiment of what you are expected to learn. Thank you.